If you're planning to buy a lot, especially here in Antipolo, please watch this first. Maraming buyers excited bumili pero may mga bagay na hindi nila nalalaman until it's too late. And ayokong mangyari yan sa inyo. So today, I'll share with you the most important things na dapat nyong i-check before you buy a lot. Hindi lang ito about presyo, hindi lang ito about location, it's about making the right decision. First is the orientation ng lot. Very important ito. Gusto mo ba ng morning sun or afternoon sun? Kasi pag mali ang orientation, mainit ang bahay. Or hindi komportable ang outdoor space mo. Second, yung view. Akala mo may view ngayon, pero hindi mo na-check baka in the future, may mag-build na sa harap mo. And mawawala yung view mo. Actually, right now, I'm working with a client from abroad. She's currently looking at properties here in Highland Park and Sand Valley. Ang priority niya talaga is view. Ayan, so gusto niya na pag nag-build siya ng house, may makikita siyang mountains or open space. But her concern is this: what if in the future may magtayo sa harap ko? So ngayon, very careful kami sa pagpili ng lot. So chinek namin yung elevation, yung surroundings, and the future development. And this is important. Hindi lang ngayon maganda. Dapat iniisip mo rin yung future. Third, slope ng lot. Maraming natatakot pag sinabing uphill or downhill. But actually, depende yan sa design. So sometimes, mas maganda ang view pag elevated ang lot. So what should you check? Number 1 is the orientation. Number 2, elevation. Number 3, surroundings. Number 4, future development. Check mo ang katabi mo, no? Lot ba? House na? Or vacant pa? Because this affects your privacy and your city view. As an agent here in Sand Valley and the Perch, lagi ko sinasabi sa clients ko, don't just buy a lot. Buy the right lot. Kasi once na nakabili ka na,